Okay, so this is looking at wenn clauses, all right? We've had a little look at these in class, and we know that basically we're going to be starting sentences with if. And the reason that it's important is because wenn is subordinating, so it's going to send the verb to the end, okay? The other thing that's going to be really important to use are these two words, hätte and wäre, okay? And what you're basically saying is, wenn ich and then hätte sent to the end, you're saying if I had. And for example, wenn ich viel Geld hätte, so if I had lots of money, all right? So the wenn is sending that verb to the end because it's subordinating. And this hätte, so if I had, and then if I had, the thing that you would have had a lot of goes in the gap. In this case, it's lots of money. Okay? The other way you can start one of these clauses, which sounds nice, is wenn ich, and in this case, wäre. Okay? And this is if again at the front, and it's sent wäre to the end, and this is if I were. So if I were, and the thing that you might possibly be is going to go in there. So I'm going to say, wenn ich, no, let's go with reicher. Let's go with reich, if I were rich, okay? So you can see that you can make lots of different sentences saying, if I were rich, if I were older. In this one, if I had lots of money, if I had more time, and then we can go on to say what you would do. Now, I need to remind you that because our wenn is subordinating and it's sent our verb to the end, we've then got a verb, and we start again with the verb from the next clause. So if you said, if I had lots of money, I would travel a lot. Well, think about it. I would travel a lot is ich würde viel reisen, and this is traveling, okay? So, würde is the verb, reisen is an infinitive at the end, so this is the verb we need to worry about. So you've got verb, comma, verb, so that würde needs to slot in there. The rest stays the same. So, ich viel reisen. Okay? Let's have a look at this one. If I were rich, what should we say? I would not work. So there's our verb, there's our infinitive at the end. Now we've got, if I were rich, I would not work. So we need a verb, comma, verb. So that's there. So wenn ich reich wäre, würde ich nicht arbeiten. Okay?